Northeastern Appraisal Associates is your single contact for all your real estate appraisal needs. Appraisal management policies and procedures. The company assumes responsibility for appraisal management for all residential appraisals in accordance with H.R. No. 4173, Dodd-Frank Wall Street Reform and Consumer Protection Act, commonly referenced as the Appraiser Independence Act. The company will receive, assign, review, and return to lender all appraisal orders in compliance with the Act. Orders may be placed via phone, fax, email, or internet. Northeastern Appraisal's website is fully integrated with Calyx LOS, allowing loan originators to place orders directly from their worksite. Northeastern Appraisal's customer service representatives are the point of contact with the lender. They routinely interface with loan center personnel and client management staff in resolving problems with escalated issues, assist appraisers with issues to ensure that turn times and lender guidelines are met, handle heavy call and email volume for orders, requests, and questions, compile daily status sheets to track inspection scheduling, due dates, and revision requests. Lenders may discuss orders and issues with any member of the customer service staff. A high-volume client can be assigned a dedicated appraisal reviewer or coordinator to ensure all appraisals meet their specific criteria and to expedite revision requests as needed. Appraisers are recruited through our website and by our staff recruiters who contact qualified appraisers for particular areas. Appraisers must submit their license, resume, proof of E&O insurance, references, and samples in PDF format. If the samples demonstrate a fairly high level of expertise and the appraiser agrees to our turn times, fee schedule, and appraisal guidelines, we add them to our panel. Northeastern Appraisal's recruiters personally contact prospective appraisers to discuss our procedures and expectations. If, despite these screening efforts, the appraiser does not meet expectations, he or she is removed from the panel. The following process is in place to screen and approve appraisers for placement on the panel. To determine an appraiser's competency, the Northeastern Appraisal recruiter verifies the appraiser's license and FHA certification using the Appraisal Subcommittee, ASC, and HUD websites, requests updated licenses and insurance as needed, reviews resumes, appraisal samples, and obtains the E&O declaration page, requests voluntary completion of a personal background history sheet, monitors performance and quickly addresses issues or complaints from the appraiser or client that customer support cannot resolve, notifies the lender of intent to remove appraisers from the panel immediately for serious mishandling of an order or after reasonable efforts fail to correct routine problems with quality, timeliness, or cooperation. Northeastern Appraisal assumes responsibility for the receipt, verification, and storage of all documents that the lender may require, for example, licenses, E&O insurance, etc. Northeastern Appraisal will make copies available to the lender within 24 hours maximum. If the Northeastern Appraisal customer service representatives identify an appraiser that is unable to meet our quality guidelines, the appraiser will be notified via email with the concerns. Concerns would also have been of an ongoing and documentable nature. Review staff or AMC management will notify appraiser of concerns and corrections in the case of quality, turn times, report writing errors, etc., in writing with expectations outlined for future reference. The appraiser will be given one additional notification in writing to address concerns if they fail to adopt requested procedures. If the appraiser continues to fail to meet quality, turn time, and response guidelines, etc., they will be removed from the panel. They will be notified in writing of the upcoming removal. Appraiser panel and rotation will be customized to meet the specific lender's requirements. The rotation can be adjusted for specific types of property due to appraiser expertise, previous inspections, etc. All exceptions to the rotation will be documented. Northeastern Appraisal will notify lender if any appraiser is removed from the panel due to disciplinary reasons. Additionally, if Northeastern Appraisal needs to supplement a panel and the lender needs to approve, all appropriate documents will be submitted to lender with adequate time to review and approve. The Order Department assigns incoming appraisals to a reviewer who is trained to recognize current and old appraisal forms and know their uses. Check all required components, interior photos, maps, sketches, etc. are included as ordered. Use an extensive review checklist to ensure each report contains required entries, consistent descriptions and adjustments, and client-specific or FHA comments. The lender may develop a review checklist that is specific to their requirements. Request corrections by phone or email and follow up until they are satisfactorily completed within the same business day. Print and sequence the file before final review. The completed files are delivered by email, website upload, or USPS according to the client's preference. All files will receive an objective quality rating that will be tracked to establish overall quality of an appraiser's ability. Monthly, the lender will receive a report listing the files that were placed during the preceding month, in addition to a certificate of compliance. This will certify that all aspects of the Act were adhered to and the logic that was utilized in choosing of the appraiser to complete the request. Northeastern Appraisal's web-based system has the capability to create customer-specific reports that compile, but do not analyze, data on quality, type, turnaround, and other common industry measurements as needed. Hartford Casualty Insurance holds the policy for Northeastern's commercial liability. The limits are $2 million for general liability, $1 million for an umbrella. There are additional breakdowns for personal and property liabilities that can be provided if needed. Once notified of a claim against our policy, our insurance representative will handle all claims and follow-up. In regard to any insured appraisal products, our company carries errors and omissions insurance in the amount of $1 million through Continental Casualty Company. All claims are submitted through Northeastern to our provider for further action. All Northeastern Appraisal staff, administrative, review, and appraisal, and independent fee appraisers have assigned certification, which is retained in their personnel file, that they understand the Act and will abide by same. The certification is a condition of employment with Northeastern Appraisal Associates Incorporated in any capacity. For more information on how Northeastern Appraisal Associates can assist you and your organization, please call 1-866-634-8970.